In today's video, keep watching this video because I'll show you how you can get paid right now using two platforms you've never heard of before, if you're like me and hate waiting. It doesn't matter where you come from because this is absolutely free. No social media following, no skills, no experience are required. Okay, first and foremost, I'd like to demonstrate that this truly works. So, as you can see, I made this amount of money directly on this platform. There are actually ways you can leverage the platform and make a lot more money, but I just want to show you proof that it works. And then, you can see this payment that I received, a request to my PayPal account, one of many that I have received. As you can see, this is the amount of money that was transferred directly to my PayPal account. Aside from that, you can start other online businesses because, as I mentioned, there are a lot of different ways you can make money using the platforms that I'm about to share with you in this video. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Our first website for today is this one here called squishycashcom. Now, as far as the make money online site goes, this is one of the oldest ones out there, which is also why it looks so old-fashioned. You can see in the upper left corner, they've been around since 2007. This also shows us something else, which is that this website is not a scam whatsoever, otherwise this site would have disappeared a long time ago. Right here, you can see that this website has over 280,000 members and has paid out nearly $350,000 to those members as well. Now, how will you be making money exactly? You can see just below, get paid to fill out free offers, take surveys, play games, sign up for free trials, and earn cashback for online shopping. So this site offers a huge variety of things you can do in order to get paid, which is of course awesome. So Squishy Cash connects you to advertisers around the world, allowing you to earn cash from home by doing things you already do online every day. The ones I would recommend though are the surveys. Many of you probably know by now that I don't particularly like them, but if you really want to earn some money, then you can go ahead and complete them most definitely. Also, another way you can earn some money is through the referral system, which will pay you $1 for active referral and 25% of the money that those people you referred make. Now, if you don't have that much time on your hands, referring people can be a nice way to earn some cash and passive income, albeit it's not a big amount. With all of that said, the best feature about this website, in my opinion, is simply the sheer amount of payment options they have available. You obviously have PayPal, but apart from that, they can pay you through various gift cards from the likes of Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and so on. They can pay you through a Visa card as well, so this shows us that this is a worldwide platform, and I know that many of you wanted to hear that, so yes, it will most likely work in your country. Further down, you can see the payment proofs, which I recommend checking out if you have maybe some doubts about this website, as well as the testimonials located just below. In any case, to get started making money with this site, all you gotta do is enter your email address in here and click on join. And here's the best part about this. They will actually pay you $3 for doing so, which is pretty awesome. It isn't a lot of money of course, but signing up takes no effort anyway from your side and very little time, so it's a great additional nevertheless. All in all, this is a fantastic site. It's been around forever and has some very nice features, but it's also the first website that I'll be going over today. The second one is called rewardingwastecom, and right off the bat, when you come on here, you'll see that just like the previous site, this one has an array of payment options to offer you. You got PayPal, Skrill, Tango, Amazon, and this kind of cryptocurrency for those of you who may prefer cryptocurrency to actual money, and they pay within 24 hours or even less than a day. Now, what can you actually do with this website in order to get paid? Well, you can see right here that you'll be completing surveys, but don't worry if you don't like them. It does offer some other options, albeit surveys are the main method, and while I did say that I don't prefer surveys, this site stands out from the crowd as far as surveys are concerned. It says that it's got the highest paying surveys out there that allows you to make money online. You can get paid today and you can be able to work from home, and last but not the least, just like the previous website, it will pay you for just signing up. By far, the best thing about this website is the reviews. Now, if you come over to trustpilot.com, just go over to Google and search for Trustpilot. In there, you can see this website over here. In Trustpilot, you'll find that Rewarding Ways has a rating of 4.7 stars with nearly 800 reviews. So not only does this show you that this is a 100% legit website, but it also shows you that people love it as far as reviews are concerned. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. This is one of the best rated websites I've ever seen. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that 84% of people rated it as excellent, just 11% as great, but in total, only 5% rated it as average, poor, or bad combined. So just think about that for a second. There are a lot of people who like this website. It is a crazy person touch, and this, as I said, shows that it's a legitimate platform most definitely. Furthermore, if you come back over to their homepage, you'll be able to see how much money they've given out, and that is nearly $2 million, as you can see here. Now, with this website, you can complete online surveys to earn cash and gift cards, so they'll pay you through gift cards as well if that's what you want. They also have an option for you to earn points through watching videos, taking part in paid trials, surveys, and offers as well. Those very same points you can redeem for gift cards, which are seen right here. Just below, you have this demo you can check out on when you have your free time and some extra information about this website. Now, at the bottom of the page, you can see the reviews, which are amazing just like they were on Trustpilot with a 4.8 star rating and over 400 reviews. In any case, to get started on making money with this site, just click on Join Free right here. You will then be taken over to this page where you can enter the needed information in order for you to start making money. So, enter your first and last names, put in your username, password, make sure it's a good and strong password so you won't get hacked. Then enter your email address, your physical address, city, and all of the personal information. And lastly, you will enter one of the following depending on how you want to get paid: PayPal email, Skrill email, Payza email, or even your own cryptocurrency wallet. With all of that done, you now just have to check these boxes agreeing to the privacy policy and terms and click on I'm not a robot and on register in order to create your brand new account on this very amazing website and start making money with this website. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.